In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter Form 1095A in the medical section to reconcile advance premium tax credits on Form 8962. To get started, open your return and go to the Deductions and Credits area. This is where you'll find several tax topics grouped by category, and for this task, you'll want to look for the medical section. Once you're there, select Form 1095A. This form is used to report information from the health insurance marketplace, and entering it correctly is very important because it connects directly to Form 8962, which is used to reconcile any advance premium tax credit you received during the year. When you open the Form 1095A entry screen, have your marketplace form in front of you so you can copy the information exactly as it appears. The key part of this process is entering the monthly premium figures. You'll typically see separate amounts listed for each month, and these numbers need to be entered carefully and accurately. In most cases, the form includes the monthly enrollment premiums, the second lowest cost silver plan amounts, and the advance payment of the premium tax credit. These figures are what the software uses to calculate whether you received the correct amount of tax credit in advance. As you enter each month's amounts, take your time and make sure the numbers match the form exactly. Even small entry mistakes can affect the final reconciliation and could change your refund or balance due. If the same amounts appear for every month on your form, it may still be necessary to enter them in the monthly fields as shown, depending on how the software presents the screen. After the monthly premium figures have been entered, review the information once more before moving on. This helps catch any typing errors and ensures Form 8962 will be completed properly. The reconciliation process compares the advance credit that was already paid on your behalf with the amount you were actually eligible to receive based on your tax return information. If everything looks correct, continue through the section and let the software apply the information to your return. That's all you need to do for this step. Accurate Form 1095A entry is essential for making sure your advance premium tax credit is properly reconciled and your return is as accurate as possible.